Well, good day, everybody. We're back, and today we're gonna assemble a bearing press or shop press. It's a good size one, it's a stand-up model. We're gonna put it together, so let's get to it.
Start by organizing and laying out all your parts and making sure that everything's there.
Separate all your fasteners into what you're going to need. Done that. We've gone ahead and put the washers on most of these already, but that's the order. It's going to be washer, through the part, lock washer, nut. Lay out the main posts. This one's the left, and this one's the right, and you can tell by these extra holes in the top here and on the bottom. That one's the right one, that one's the left one.
Attach the lower crossbeam to the left post. There we go. Now add the base on the left side. Then lock washer and nut.
Just like that. Don't tighten them yet. We're going to level it at the end. We just want them finger tight for now.
And now add the A-frames.
These are slightly shorter than these ones, and that's how you can tell them apart. There's 5 in the kit, so I think they gave us an extra. I sure hope so. We'll find out. That
Same
lock
thing.
washer and nut. Yep.
Same on the top.
And the bottom.
Now attach the right post.
Oh, didn't put the washer on that one.
Oh,
That's okay, we got it. First try.
and the base. Lock washer, nut. And the right side A-frame.
Nope. Back here. Slippery little suckers. Check it for level this way and this way. Yeah, it seems pretty good, so we're going to tighten them down. For the bigger bolts, we're going to get the Cougar sockets out. Right, Funky? She's not having it today. Oh, please, lay down right on that dirty cardboard. Okay, let's get to it.
Now we're gonna attach the upper crossbeam. Posts go inside.
Just like that. And
Same as the bottom, lock washer and nut.
do all 8. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten them up using our Cougar socket and ratchet set.
Meow.
Oh.
And stand it up. Tighten the last 4 bolts.
There we go. And put some Teflon tape on a pressure gauge. Oop, we'll move this plug. And insert our pressure gauge. And just snug that up. Screw the ram cylinder into the upper crossbeam. This piece down here is threaded, if you can see in there. And this thing's threaded on the end. You just spin it down till it bottoms out. Now put the lower collar right there. Make sure it's not cross-threaded because it's really fine threads. Same thing when you're installing the ram. Just really, if you feel any resistance, stop. You don't want to mess these up. Cross thread is not better than no thread.
There we go.
All right.
That one's yours. There you go.
All right. No Star Wars cup?
No, it's a new cup. Install the clip on the bed frame pin.
Oh, easier said than done. There we go. And install it in the frame. Put the other one at the same height. Rest the bed frame on the bed frame pin. Same on the back. Now, install the spacer, lock washer, and the nut. Same thing on the other side. Lock washer and the nut. And tighten those up. Now we're going to install our pump, and this line-up peg Goes right in this big hole right here. And we're going to secure it with our Allen head bolts with a washer on them. Of course, I had to put the bed frame at exactly that height, didn't I?
Now we're going to install the hose. And this end here goes on the pump, like that.
Let's remove the cap. Teflon tape. Watch you don't get it in the end there either. Just like that.
Now we're going to attach the hose to the ram.
And first we got to remove the plugs. Teflon tape.
Next we're going to install the foot pedal.
This thing's got a foot pedal?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, looky there. We've laid the hardware out in the order it all goes in because it's a little complicated, so this way you can just see it. So we're going to start with the bolt. The washer, lock washer, nut, tighten that section up, long bushing, foot pedal,
Short bushing, washer. Last is the nylon lock nut. And do not over tighten it because the foot pedal has to move freely.
You can see it's still got a little bit of slop in there. We're just going to snug it up just till they touch. The pedal should move freely. Just keep going. Oh, that's pretty good. Now we're going to install the pump handle connector plate into this bracket.
Hard to line it up in there.
Yeah. There it goes. And the lock nut. Once again, nylon lock nut. So you just tighten it up a little bit. You want it to move freely. Don't squeeze it till you break this. This is a cast piece. So just tighten it up. It should move freely. It won't back off. It's nylon nut.
There we go.
Perfect. And tighten those up. Just till she bottoms out, and that's it. Now connect the foot pedal.
And the nylon nut.
And tighten that up. And install the handle. Now we'll test it. All right. We have a press.
Woohoo!
Put the fixtures on it. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good night.